this is Heidi with Kiddos Corral, and today I'm going to show you guys a glorious, fantastic, very fattening, mind you, recipe for my peanut butter pie. I make this when my mom comes to town because her and I are huge peanut butter lovers, and this is creamy and dreamy and wonderful. And I meant to make this during the holidays, however I did not get to it because I was so super busy. Now, you are looking in my KitchenAid. This is 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. I have a graham cracker crust that is already one of those that is pre-prepared. I'm going to show you guys right here. You can make your own, which is simple enough, but I'm just using that because I had an extra one on hand. Now, to my cream cheese, you want to add in 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. This is going to give this pie its sweetness. And you want to blend those two things together until they are creamy. And I am just using my flat beater on my KitchenAid. And I just let this mix together for a little while until it is completely combined. Okay, now that, once I get this unlocked, now that my powdered sugar and cream cheese is combined, I'm going to add in 1 cup of peanut butter. You can use crunchy, you can use creamy, whatever your heart desires. I'm just using regular Jif brand peanut butter in the creamy. And I love peanut butter. There's not a single day that I couldn't eat peanut butter. I love peanut butter. Alright, now you want to let this combine in with your cream cheese. Okay, now I'm going to add in 1 cup of milk, and I'm just using 2% milk. It's what I have on hand. I'm going to allow that to combine. That is pretty combined. I'm going to obviously scrape the sides of the bowl and get it all in there, but now you want to add 1 small container of thawed Cool Whip to this. And drop this down in there. And we want to start mixing that together. Nice and mixed. Look how fluffy and wonderful that looks. And it smells like peanut butter fudge. If you guys like peanut butter fudge, that's what it smells like. It smells so good. So good. Okay, I'm gonna take my attachment off. By the way, if you're hearing piano music, that's Lucas practicing. You get a little bit of background entertainment. And a little bit of look into my world with a child who plays classical music all day and all night, and how loud it can get in this house. So here we go. This is my, let me zoom you out a little bit. Okay, there is my pie crust, and I'm just going to give this mixture a good you know, stir with my spatula, just making sure that I got everything in there. It's nice and rich and thick, and it smells heavenly. All I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of this glorious creamy peanut butter mixture right into this pie crust. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That's what I call a pie. This is going to be amazing. Not dietary, but totally amazing. Now, I just kind of push it down into the pie crust. Just like so. And it's a big pie, big, rich, creamy pie. There we go. Now the last thing that I like to do to my pie is I like to add chocolate sprinkles. These are milk chocolate sprinkles. You can buy them most grocery stores, but I think that it really adds to the look of this pie, especially when you cut it, just to kind of have a little bit of a decoration on top. You could even put more Cool Whip on the top if you wanted to, some chocolate shavings, but I find this to be easy, and the pie really does speak for itself because it is so delicious. So delicious. So I'm going to put the lid on this pie, and I'm going to place this into the refrigerator for a few hours just so that it'll sit up nice for its supper tonight. I'm sure in my weekly vlog you will see us eating this pie. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this very quick, sort of impromptu recipe video. But I wanted to share this because I was making it today and it is so delicious. I hope y'all are doing fantastic. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so and give this video a thumbs up, and I will be talking to you all again soon.